हाँ सर अर्धा तास राहील हो घेऊया त्याला फोन लावून देऊ का त्याला फोन लावून देऊ म्हणजे आपण Okay, guys. We were talking about the activate. बघू माझा आवाज येतो का? Hope so.
Yes, ma'am.
सगळ्या किती स्टुडंट आहेत? Let me see. 45 स्टुडंट्सनी मौन व्रत धरलंय. ओके, आता ते काय पांडुरंगाचा अधिक महिना चालू झालाय. पांडुरंगाला स्मरून मौन व्रत धरलंय मुलांनी. सगळे स्टुडंट पास होऊ दे पांडुरंगा. Okay, I was talking about the oxidation ditch. Okay, so the oxidation ditch are constructed in two ways. One is the continuous flow type and an intermittent flow type. I will explain the function of oxidation ditch with respect to types. Okay, instead of explaining the separately, I will explain it. Continuous flow type and intermittent flow type. So first I have taken here intermittent flow type. Intermittent flow type, the name itself is telling you what is meant by intermittent flow type. Batch type, we can say it is a batch type. Fill and draw type. How? This a wall will be open, okay, influent will come and the aeration will be in a process. You can provide 2 aerator or 1 aerator as per requirement you can go for. Okay, so here it is only 1 aerator is provided and wall A can be open, allowed to enter the sewage up to that certain quantity and wall close, then it will be aeration will be in a process. Suppose 10 hours, 20 hours, whatever the design period for aeration you have provided, up to that it will be remain in this position. Wall A open, wall D close, and aerator is running, and the suspension is maintained over here. And then once that design period is getting over, that if wall D will be open and wall A will also be open, the new mass which will be allowed to enter and it will be replaced with the old mass. Okay, so that way fill and draw type, भरा, treat करा, ओतून काढा, परत भरा, treat करा, ओतून काढा. Is it fill and draw type? Or you can say batch type. Batch of sewage is allowed to enter, treat it, and then remove from that particular tank treated one, and again fill that tank with the new batch of sewage. That is known as the intermittent flow type tank. So I request you to draw this figure. Draw now, please. Uh, Sorry, many disturbances coming today. Uh, Intermittent flow type. I think you have understood. So this rotation, it will be rotating in one direction. That rotor, or you can say rotor, or you can say uh, aerator. It will be rotating in one direction only. Okay, this way it will be rotating. So when rotating, it will push that material present over in a forward direction. At the same time, it will make that sewage into remain in a suspension form, and also mixing the atmospheric oxygen into the sewage. So this way it is acting. So multiple activities can be performed, and that's why we need to construct that in an oval shape. It will help to make it into suspension form. And simply you can provide the screening process in a oxidation ditch. Screening is important unit operation. Screening is not the costly. Simple diagonally shape, you can arrange the bars through which sewage will flow, and where the larger size particles will be removed. It can be possible to make separation, is it? So this is the function of when the oxidation ditch is constructed in a intermittent flow type. Now we'll see the second type. I might have written the explanation about the same in the next year. I have written here. In the intermittent flow type, oxidation ditch has no separate settling tank. इथं separate settling tank होत नाही, तर काय केलं जातं की पहिल्यांदा aeration, whatever the aeration period you have decided, that will be performed. Then after aeration, you will stop aerator and allow to settle that there itself. Then the supernatant will be removed from the top side, and settled sludge will be removed from the bottom side. Okay, so both the activity will perform in a one tank. That is the intermittent flow type, or batch type, or fill and draw type. Okay, then the flow in the ditch remains suspended during the predetermined period by stopping the aerator, and the ditch itself is used for the settling. Two activity can be performed in one time. The supernatant is withdrawn through the outlet. Okay, and the surplus sludge settled in the ditch is removed with the aid of sludge trap, whatever you can use for the removal of sludge. Okay, this is the working or the function of intermittent flow type of oxidation ditch. Okay, please copy this slide. Now I will start noting down the attendance simultaneously, so it will save our time. हॅलो जय, अरे मी कॉलेजमध्ये जय घरी आहे.
दुसरा नंबर आहे का काकू?
हो मी पाठवते तुला, व्हॉट्सअप करते. Okay, I have taken attendance. I will go to the next point. Another type for intermittent operation, this cycle consists of closing the inlet wall that I explained and aerating the wastewater. Okay, stopping the rotor and letting the content settle down in the same tank. Then last, opening the inlet and outlet walls, thereby allowing the incoming wastewater to displace an equal volume of clarified effluent that I have discussed with you. Is it at the start? Do you want to write it, or shall I go to the next point? Do you want to write it? Someone please ask, tell me. The cycle, do you want to note down? Please write down. Don't take easy, guys. We don't know how long we have to live with corona. Everything is unclear. A black hole is there, and you should be ready for any kind of situation in the future. I said, so now you might have heard that how the backlog students and final year students are facing the problem for appearing the online examination of MCQ type of exam. So don't take it easy, take it serious, study properly. I don't know where, you don't know where it will help you and how. Over. Shall we go to the next point? Line keep on reply. Yes or no? Yes or no? Thank you. Thank you, Priyanka. Okay. Next. Next type is the continuous flow type. Okay. In a continuous flow type, there is no need to close and open the wall. Only there is a need to arrange someone else to make them settle. Means two separate tanks will be there. One is the aeration and another one is the sedimentation, that is clarifier. Okay, so this treatment process will include screening, oxidation ditch and clarifier. And I already told you that oxidation ditch is nothing but the extended aeration process or the extended activated sludge process. Okay, so same here, aerator is provided, will make to move that sludge in a forward direction. At the same time, it will keep that sewage in a suspension form and mixing the atmospheric oxygen in that sewage. Okay, and screening provides the removal of screens, and then that sewage will be continuously incoming and outgoing, will be in a working. So that mood sludge will go to the next, that is clarification process. And in the clarification, settling of sludge and the supernatant liquid will be removed as a effluent. Then the settled sludge will be removed, and part of that uh, sludge, some amount of sludge will be returned, that is known as the return sludge, and it will be added into the same tank, that is oxidation ditch. This is the continuous process. So the name itself is telling you the decomposition or degradation or the treatment of sewage will be performed in a continuous motion, continuous period. Okay, so only for achieving that stage, you need to add a separate sedimentation tank or the clarifier. Okay, it will be very simple. No need to invest more, that scrapper and all those things. Simple, allowed to settle down for some period. Remove effluent from top and remove sludge from bottom, that way. Okay, as it is low cost treatment. So draw this figure for the continuous flow type of tank. Lecture is about to end. Only the last 10 minutes may be remained. Okay, I think you have completed figure. Do you have? Do you have completed? Yes or no? Okay, then we'll go to the next. Thank you, Mayuri. असं प्रत्येकानं वेगळं वेगळं नवीन नवीन कोणतरी आलं ना बरं वाटतं बघायला बोलायला. Okay, same theory what I explained is written over here. The continuous flow type oxidation ditch. The operation is kept continuous by allowing the mixed liquor to settle in. लेक्चर चालू एक 5 मिनिटात ते 10 मिनिटात संपते. फोन करते मी तुम्हाला. हां. The continuous flow type oxidation ditch, the operation is kept continuous by allowing the mixed liquor to settle in a separate settling tank. Okay, as said, the quiescent condition in the clarified liquid passes over the effluent weir for final disposal. The settled sludge is removed from the bottom of the clarifier. Is it? So what I explained is written over here. Those who want to copy, they can copy. This point is over here now. And now I will disclose the attendance report, what I have noted down. If now the number of students increase, I don't know. Is it? I will count, announce the roll numbers from division A first. Roll number 12, 1, 9, 23, 36, 40, 48, 49, 54, 55, 14, 16, 32, 68, 31, 46, 4, 10, 11, 13, 17, 18, 19, 20, 24, 25, 26, 27, 29, 35, 37, 38, 43, 45, 51, 58, 61, 64. Okay, this is from division A. Now I will count the number, loud the number from division B. 27, 14, 53, 52, 2, 1, 23, 24, 44, 45, 46, 48, 61, 43, 13, 28, 3, 16, 19, 8, 42, 7, 12, 26, 33, and 20 are the roll numbers present from the division B. Okay. So I hope you have completed. Now we can stop here. Roll number 62 from division B, 6 from division A, 7 from division A. These are the added numbers I have noted down. 50 from division A, 56 from division B, 31 from division A, and 45 from division B. Those whose number already count, please don't repeat. 31, then 31 from division B, 45 division B, of from division B, 34 from 62. How many times you want to give attendance? 62. You would learn to be 41 from division A.
चुलीवर पाणी आहे का मम्मी? चुलीवर
Can we close the nurse session? I hope it's done now. Okay, thank you. Bye. Thank you. I will now.